traditions, and community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride.
Happy Adive everyone, and I'd like everyone to know, most especially people outside of the Cordillera, Adivay means coming together. It is the togetherness. And with the 30 municipalities that we have here, we are a diverse province. And our diversity is not a weakness. It's not a barrier. It is strength. Because coming together, celebrating, showing our inclusivity and being one is how we can preserve our culture. By showing to the youth how we wear our traditions, that our identity is not just worn but lived. It is the lifeblood of our province, and Benguet will forever flourish as long as we come together, because unity is our superpower. And as one Benguet, as one people and one purpose, as your Mr. Benguet, if given the chance, I will champion progress without the cost of our heritage. Thank you.